Alright, 6 weeks tomorrow after see the specialist. I just thought I'd run you through what exercises I am doing and what I can do, and tomorrow hopefully I'll get the go ahead from the specialist to start doing strengthening exercises. So I'll just show you what I've got now. Excuse the butt. Do like 10 of these, easy. That's assistance from the left arm. I can also do obviously no assistance. Can't quite get it behind my head, but I can get my hand behind my head. Do these. Quite proud of myself, going good. Anyway, we'll move on to the next. I don't know. Get it way up there. Out of a pulley. Pretty tight, but I can do it. So yeah, I'm hoping I can start strengthening exercises as of tomorrow. We'll just have to wait and see what the specialist says. Yeah. So that's pretty much it. There's a few that I can do. Going good. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, hit that subscribe, hit the like and hit the notification bell. Thanks again. Bye.